Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make bhaji with sprouted moong and channa. We are also going to use some green leaves and herbs, which is totally optional. For the ingredients, we are taking few fish mince, which are apparently very good for your stomach, some curry leaves, and mint. Now to prepare this recipe, we need to grind all of our ingredients and we are using this hand grinder, but you can use a mixer grinder as well. After cleaning the hand grinder, here are the ingredients. Sprouted moong and channa, all the green leaves, a red chili and a pinch of ginger. Put all the ingredients together and start making a paste. It's completely fine even if you are not grinding them like very smooth. It tastes better that way. But yeah, it depends on your preferences. You can do however you like. Once we are done preparing a paste, transfer it in a bowl. Add salt as per taste. Just 2 to 3 drops of oil. Pinch of turmeric. And mix everything well. Now heat up a kadhai and add mustard oil as needed. You can add any oil that you prefer, but they taste better in mustard oil. Once oil is heated up, we'll add the paste in it. You can add them in any shape or size that you like. You can even fry them like pakoras. You can deep fry them, shallow fry them, however you prefer. Put the flame on low and allow them to cook from one side. Once they are cooked from one side and changes its color, turn sides and allow it to cook from the other side as well. Once they are done and cooked from both these sides, transfer it in a plate and switch off the flame. And serve them hot along with lunch, dinner, or you can just have it as a side dish with tea as well. This bit of arrangement was for the thumbnail. By the way, this bit of arrangement that you are seeing is for the thumbnail. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.